Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951, and that's my supervisor, Arrow. Yeah, that's Arrow. Yep, well, I'm gonna discuss installing a trailer hitch on a 2005 Ford Escape 6-cylinder. Whether it matters if it's a 6-cylinder or not, other than the pulling strength, I don't know. Anyway, I purchased a Kurt trailer hitch. Ran me about 170 bucks through Amazon. And they say that for a professional, installation time will take 30 minutes. A novice, which would be me, would be 60 minutes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm generally a very handy person, or I used to be, mechanically inclined. If I were paying myself, I would go broke, or I'd get slowly rich, because it's taken me 8 hours plus to do this. Now, in my defense, this vehicle is a rebuild. It has a rebuild title on it, and the gal I bought it from, she and her boyfriend, she showed me the photographs. I didn't pay much attention to it. I was more interested in the low miles and what it looked like today. And I don't know why people keep covering up their license plates, but I guess I will too. But anyway, that's what it looks like now. Put it this way, it looks really straight. The auto body guys did a good job. I see a run right up there. I don't know whether you can see it on camera, but you know, little things like that. There's only one. Don't bother me. Now, part of the problem was, after I looked up on the internet, it dawned on me, after I struggled for about an hour trying to get the spare tire off using a pipe wrench and underneath, I looked it up on the internet, and there's supposed to be a scissor jack here with a gizmo that fits into here. It dawned on me, my old Mazda MPV station minivan had one, and bingo, I modified this jack. I got it off of a yard sale. It's a snap-on. It's probably a sin what I did, but it beats the heck out of going and buying something special for 20 bucks. Anyway, I modified it, and it fits in this slot counterclockwise, and it lowers the tire, the spare tire. And there's the cable that helps hold it into place. So this was part of the problem. I took it to U-Haul. They were going to install it, the hitch and all, including labor, would have been $350. Well, I drove all the way over there, 10 minutes ahead of schedule for my appointment time. Well, come to find out, you see that, how crunched it is? All up in there where my finger is. That's the aftermath. This plate was here, so I don't know whether that's part of the original car or not. I know a lot of cars have hooks on them where you can tow them out of a ditch or whatever. Anyhow, here's what you do. I had a 1 3/8 metal drill bit, a hole saw, and I had to widen this hole, and then the company, Kurt Manufacturing, their engineering department, provides this wire, a fish tape, so to speak, and you screw this bolt into this end, along with a specially made washer that fits in between the channel of the frame. And you fish your wire down here, and you put the you screw the bolt into that. You put the washer in, and then you screw the bolt in, and you fish it through and pull it down and reef it up to 100 foot-pounds with your torque wrench. So I began the process by using a couple of ramps and raising it up. I had 3 floor jacks, and that was a fight. That was difficult. After an hour and a half trying to do a balancing act, I took it off. I took it off of the ramps, ground level, and I proceeded to put a jack here on the other side and on the receiver, and jacked it up a couple inches at a time. Hang on while I get up. Okay, and that's the result. I'm not sure, well, I'm sure it's not dead center if you look at the plastic, but I'm not, the car tracks well, it drives straight. I can let go of the steering wheel on the freeway and it just tracks perfectly. It may be a little bit off, but I'm 99% positive that it's going to be fine. So I paid $170. Shipping was paid by Kurt Manufacturing. And if you have a 2005 Ford Escape, the model number for this hitch is 13650, and then /RRH 13650. It fits a Ford Escape or a Mazda Tribute or a Mercury Mariner. It's a Class 3 Hitch setup, and I hope that this short little video will save you hours. And just put yourself